Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about skip counting. Okay, so let's start with that. In the previous class also we had studied about skip counting. पहली classes में भी हम skip counting को पढ़ चुके हैं. Let's review what we learned. Okay, एक हम review लेते हैं. Skip counting means skipping numbers while counting. काउंटिंग करते समय कुछ नंबर को छोड़ना ही हमारा स्किपिंग काउंटिंग कहलाता है. इन अ स्किप काउंटिंग पैटर्न वी गो ऑन एडिंग द सेम नंबर टू गेट द नेक्स्ट टर्म. ओके, सो व्हाइल स्किप काउंटिंग इन थ्रीज वी गो ऑन एडिंग 3. व्हाइल स्किप काउंटिंग इन 6 वी गो ऑन एडिंग 6 एंड सो ऑन. 3 का अगर हमें स्किप काउंटिंग करना है तो वी हैव टू जस्ट लीव द 3 नंबर्स. Similarly, 6 का अगर हम skip counting करेंगे then we have to leave the 6 numbers. Okay, so like this. So let's study some example. कुछ examples के through हम देखते हैं. Skip counting in 2s. 2 की skip counting क्या होती है? We can see that there is a 110, 112, 114, 16 and so on. Okay, so if you are like 110 and you have to go to 112, so then you have to leave it 2 numbers in between like this. 110, 11 is skip. Now you have to go to 112. After 112 then 103 is not here, so 114. So these are the skip counting in 2s. Okay beta, I hope you understood. Now skip counting in 3s. अब 3 की skip counting को हम सीखते हैं. Just like you are at 300, आप 300 पे हो. So now in this time you have to leave 3 number. Okay, so like 301, 302 and 303. So this is how we just move on 3 steps further. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Similarly, skip counting of 4, skip counting of 5, then 10, then 20. So these are the example of that one. You have to practice it your own. Okay beta. So now continue the pattern by counting in 2s. Okay, so this is 150 and this is 152. So how many gaps are in there between? Clearly 2s. Okay, so after 152 154 comes. 154 के बाद में 156, then 158, then 160. After 160 162 comes and at last you have to write 164. So this is called 2 skip counting. Okay, I hope you understood. So now next is continue the pattern by counting in 3s. अब 3 3s की counting करेंगे. So first one is 440. 440 के बाद you can just do it like that beta also. So 440 के बाद में 443, then 443, 444, 445 and 446. So you have to write it like this. 446 के बाद में you just read it further. 47, 48 and 49. So write it 449. Then 50, 51, 52. Write it like this. 52. Then 52 के बाद में 53, 54, 55. Yes, you're right. Then write it 55 here. Then 455, 56, 57 and 58. So write it 458 over here like this. So this is the skip counting of 3. You have to write the numbers like that. Okay beta, I hope you understood. So now move on next. Continue the pattern by counting in 5s. अब 5 5s के हम देखेंगे. So 515 is given. After 515, 520, then 20 के बाद 525, then 530, then 535, उसके बाद 540, then 545 and then 545 के बाद 550. So this is how we just do the fives counting. Now move on next one. Okay beta, continue the pattern by counting in tens. अब हम tens की counting करेंगे. So सबसे पहले हमारा 320, then 330, then 340, उसके बाद 350, then 360, then 370 के बाद 380, yes, and then 319. So this is how we have to give the gap of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay beta. So I hope you understood the whole concept of skip counting. Okay, this is very easy chapter. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So just do practice and revise all the question answers yourself. Okay.